Here I have ZYREX ZA987. Let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device by using the ZYREX settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here apps icon. Then from the following list, let's find and select settings. Here we need to scroll down to the personal tab and choose backup and reset. Then let's tap factory data reset. Here we've got the information about the process. This operation will erase all personal data, all accounts, settings, apps, and basically all personal stuff from your device storage. Here you can also clear music, pictures, and other user data, but in order to do it you need to choose erase phone storage. So let me do it. Let's tap reset phone to erase basically everything. Tap erase everything again and wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.